Technology and Livelihood Education 8. Quarter 4 Week 1 Day 1. Different types of building plan. Common floor plan symbols. Content standards. The learners demonstrate an understanding of the signs and symbols of working drawings. Performance standards. The learners perform simple diagnostics and simple troubleshooting in industrial arts. Services. Lesson purpose. Let the students answer the questions below. A. What are the different symbols you observe in your community? B. What is the importance of symbols in our daily lives? Unlocking content vocabulary. Plan refers to a detailed proposal for achieving something or carrying out a specific task. Symbol. A mark that represents or stands for an abstract idea. Diagram. A symbolic representation of information using visualization technique. Day 1. Subtopic 1. Different types of building plan. Common floor plan symbols. Thank you. Follow for more. The link is on the comment section.